Good morning, everybody. This is the final moment that we are going to see Lola Linda in her last days here on Earth. Life is indeed very short. In her 76 years, though it was long, but right now it felt so short. We were so busy growing up that we forget sometimes that people grow old. And of course, time on earth is not final and it's temporary. She finally resides in her final home, which is in heaven. We will gonna miss her so much. Her sweetness, her love, her care, her hugs, her kisses, and even those random messages of encouragement, of compliments that she loves to give. To her friends, she's known to be the kikay, the girly. To her children, she's known to be the one who encourages, the one who pushes, the one who brings out the best in each of her children. To her husband, she is the darling, the love of his life. Indeed, Lola Linda has lived a life of love, care, and it was indeed beautiful. Though at her last days, she suffered, but we know that those suffering brings the promise of eternal rest. And regardless of how hard she suffered, how painful it was all worth it. Because she is now finally residing in a place where there is no pain, no worries, no heartaches. And that place is the place we all are going to, and it's all about time. So Lola Linda, we will miss you. We thank you for your life, for your love. We thank you for the times that you stood for us, even when no one is believing in us. Thank you for backing up on us. Thank you for believing in each one of us. And thank you for being a blessing. Thank you for being the strength and the light. We will always cherish those times that you have been a light in times of our darkness. You have given us the hug that we needed, the comfort that we needed when we are sad. Thank you for the hope. And in your final days here, we wish you the rest that we all are waiting for. The rest that is eternal and in God's care. Thank you, Lola, for your life. Thank you for your love. And we will always leave those memories. We will always live our lives reflecting on your values and even your kikayness. Na dili ka dapat, di ka yagit. Kaya si Lola Linda never did na siya nayagit. She always dressed well, smelled so good, dili did na siya mapangit. So regardless what situation is, she is indeed beautiful. Thank you because your beauty exceeds more than just your appearance, but through your life. Thank you because your beauty impacts all of us. Lola Linda, we celebrate your life. Though we will miss you, we will miss your presence, but we will live for the fact that you are indeed a beautiful creature. We will get an inspiration and strength from you. We thank you for the love, and we will live for that love as long as we live. May you rest in God's dwelling place, where His light will shine upon you, and there you will find the peace, the joy that is eternal and that cannot be found here on earth. Thank you, Lola Linda, and rest well. That's all.
Final storya. Saan na? Wala na.